The payments world is constantly changing, but here's a big question. How does a major player like Paysafe stay ahead and find new growth? In a global economy, simply maintaining your position isn't enough. You have to adapt, you have to innovate, and you have to expand. For Paysafe, a leading specialized payments platform, their strategy for new market expansion isn't just about geography, it's about deepening their penetration in high-growth, high-volume industry verticals and leveraging key strategic partnerships. So, let's break down the two main ways Paysafe is making its footprint bigger. First, leveraging their digital wallet solutions, Skrill and Neteller, through strategic alliances. These two digital wallets are cornerstones of Paysafe's offerings, available in over 130 countries and with a long-standing history, particularly in the online trading and gaming communities. Paysafe is taking this proven infrastructure and using it to connect with established, reputable global partners. A perfect recent example is their partnership with CMC Markets, a global provider of online trading and investment services. By integrating Skrill and Neteller, Paysafe is now broadening the payment options for CMC traders across the European Economic Area, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East, with future expansion expected in regions like Latin America. This isn't just a new market entry, it's a focused move to facilitate seamless, secure, and fast transactions for a high-volume, global trading client base. It's an efficient way to expand coverage using existing, well-trusted products. The second key pillar is focusing on digital wallet adoption in high-growth, underserved regions. The global push for digital wallets is massive, especially in emerging markets where consumers might be underserved by traditional banking. Paysafe is making a dedicated push into Latin America, a region experiencing a significant fintech boom. A clear sign of this is the launch of their Pago Efectivo wallet in Peru. This move targets the increasing demand for secure, local payment options. By offering an integrated digital wallet, Paysafe is capturing new customers, increasing transaction volumes, and positioning itself as a foundational element of the region's evolving digital payment ecosystem. Their strategy here isn't just to be present, but to become the go-to solution for online transactions, demonstrating their commitment to solving payment complexities for both merchants and consumers globally. In essence, Paysafe's expansion is a one-two punch, forging high-profile partnerships to instantly reach professional, global trading sectors, while simultaneously launching localized digital wallet solutions to capture fast-growing consumer markets in regions like LATAM. It's a dynamic, integrated approach that shows a clear roadmap for global scale and sustained growth. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.